Real quick for this video starts, I just want to say, first of all, thank you guys for clicking on my video. There's plenty of videos that you could have clicked on, but you clicked on my video, so thanks for that. But I just want to let you guys know that I upload other things. As you can see, Skyrim playthrough. I currently have a Skyrim playthrough going. I also have a Ghost Runner playthrough on my channel with 30 episodes on it, so make sure to go check that out. I also currently have a Minecraft series where I explore the Aether, and I also have another Minecraft series where I track the progress of me building my mega base that I've always wanted to build. And also I make type beats and do my own 3D animations over my own type beats. So it's kind of like I make music, I don't really know. But anyways, yeah, make sure to go check that out if you guys are interested. But anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. What's up everybody, it's your boy Young Roach, and you clicked on this video because you want to know how to get Iradite really fast in Warframe. Well, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do it. So a good mod I like to equip for this is I like to equip Thief's Wit. If you don't know what this mod actually does, it pretty much just highlights all the loot on the minimap. So you're going to want it because it makes everything a whole lot easier. So where you're actually going to want to go is you're just going to go to the open world section of Earth. So now I'm going to show you the route that you need to take. So leaving Sythasis, if you head to the left, just sticking along this blue wall, as you can see, that's the edge of the map right there. This is the route you're going to want to take to find the most Iradite very quick. This is where I found the most spawn rates. If you go over to this thing with the windmill, there can be a couple over there, maybe a couple by these rocks, and maybe one or two over there. But yeah, that's pretty much the strategy. Just head through the grassy field, back to Sythasis, and do it all over again. But the actual strategy that I like to use, so that was the route that you need to take, but the actual strategy, what I like to do is I like to run around with the sythasis scanner, and I like to basically just keep opening and closing it, because as you've seen, right when I opened it for half a second, it basically highlighted the Iradite. So not only with Thief's Wit will you be able to see it on the minimap as you're running around, but sometimes if you pull up the scanner, it can like scan it through a rock and you won't miss it, and then you make sure to get it. So this is what I've found most effective to make sure that you don't miss any Iradite, and I'm also showing you the route that I like to take to find the most of it. So yeah, I hope this helps. I'm just trying to show like a couple good examples. And yeah, another strategy that you guys can use is if you have the Archwing, mostly you're grinding for Iradite to get the Archwing, but if for some reason you need it, you can just obviously scan from the Archwing, and that will obviously show Iradite. But yeah, if you do this route and you use this strategy, you can get 22 Iradite. I mean, if you equipped a resource booster, you could probably get like 40 or 50. But yeah, anyways guys, that was a strategy on how to get Iradite. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I just want to let you guys know that I do upload other things other than Warframe, so make sure to go check those out. Anyways guys, this has been Young Roach. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.